Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another. Okay, so this is my actual haul. So these are things that have been coming in, orders that I place online. If you don't know, I live in Hilo, on the Big Island, and we just don't have any scrapbook supplies anymore. So whenever I want anything, I usually have to order it. And a lot of times I order like just all at once. I'm pretty sure I ordered a lot of the Hello Kitty stuff that I got right after or around the time of the Hello Kitty hop, which was back at in August. But I'm only getting it now, so I'm just glad that I get it. So I'll share with you what I got. Okay, so this is actually this one I didn't place that long ago. I think it was in September. They're really cute. It's a really big-headed gingerbread man. And then a star that you can put a face on too. And these are shakers. So they kind of remind me of like real Japanese kawaii looking characters. So this is, I think, by KJLUIP store. You may be able to find it on Amazon if you search for ZF Party, because that's what they go by for some reason on Amazon. But their sister company to KS Crafts. So anyway, I thought this was really cute, so I wanted to get the gingerbread man for sure. So that came in, and then this is another order that I placed. And I'm pretty sure I saw Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01. I think she shared these. They're so cute. I never knew that they had these strawberries with like sequins on them. So this one is a red version. This is like a hot pink. And then I got the light pink. And I thought it would be really cute to do, you know, for strawberry themed projects. I think she used that in her Hello Kitty because she used the Frank Garcia strawberry milkshake paper. And then I also got this. It's hard to see, but it's actually a piece of like vinyl, or you know, like plastic with strawberry print on it. So I got all of that from the same vendor. I will try to link everything below so you can go and find it on AliExpress. Okay, so the other thing I did, this just came in the mail today, and this was all one order from one manufacturer, and they're so cute. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I saw these, and then I saw DM, who is Cutesy Shelf on YouTube, haul them as well, and they're so adorable. Like, I just love the way that they drew the faces on these. So this is Pom Pom Pudding. He's one of my favorite characters. That's a really cute one, and you get kind of a lot in the order. Here's another Pom Pom Pudding. This one is a little bit different. He's so cute. So I think these are made to look like sugar cookies that are decorated. And that's kind of what the appeal was to me on a lot of these. Okay, so this one is another sugar cookie looking one. So this is cinnamon roll. And then the Hello Kitty is adorable. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then the last one is the Pochacco. It's hard to see. That's what he looks like. So cute. Okay, so that's the cookie looking ones. And then this one is just the regular cabochon. So this is Kettle Pea. And then I got my Melody. And then the really cute Hello Kitty. And then these are a little bit different. They're more like, I guess, more resin clear pieces. But it's the twin stars and their heads. So I'm super excited to get that order in. And then finally, I did finally break down. There's a few more orders I want to make on Frank Garcia, but this one came super fast. So I shared, what is it called? My other hauls, and those were all pre-orders, so those took a little bit longer to get here. But Natalie, hey Nat, she's the one who like I had this all in my cart, and then I dumped it because I wanted to order other stuff. And then after I saw some of her projects, I'm like, oh my god, I need to get it. It is super adorable. So this is the new Simple Stories line. It's called Baking Spirits Bright, and it's like gingerbread baking theme. This is so adorable. Okay, so I did get the chipboard stickers. I got the foam stickers, which is mostly sentiments. But there are some gingerbreads people. And then I got two of this because I really like the gingerbread people. Look, they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I just adore them. So I got two of that one, and then I got one of the just the other pieces. So it has like all like various other stuff. So I did get quite a bit of the support embellishment stuff, and then of course I got the paper. So let's get this out of the way. Okay, so here's the paper. Look at how cute this is. Look, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that puts me in the mood now to start making some Christmas themed stuff. Look how cute. So that's the back. So they have quite a bit of these with the cut aparts in the back. So this is the side with the print, and then this is the cut aparts. And then here's another one. This one I only bought one. Did I only buy one? I don't know. I thought I bought two of everything. Here's the cutter parts for that. And then, okay, so this one has the little, the mice and the houses. And then on the back is a gingham. And then this one has the little cakes and desserts and coffee. And then more gingham. And then this one has the candies. So if you like candies, I just saw Erica post. She has like a candy. I think it's a mini album die. It's huge. But it looks like these candies. And then also My Creative Time by Emma. It has some candy dies coming out too. So if you like that, you should be on the lookout for that. Here's the back of that candy paper. Here's the stars, and then the cute polka dots on the back, and then we have some Christmas trees and just stripes. Then you have some polka dots along with some holly, and here's my favorite ones. Look how cute! Oh my gosh, they're so adorable. I don't even know what I'm gonna make with it. And then there's like a diagonal stripe on the back. Okay, so again, this is the Baking Spirits Bright by Simple Stories. That is a super cute collection. You can get it from Frank Garcia Studio. I think that this die is gonna go perfectly with this collection. But I do have a lot of other gingerbread dies all over the place. So I'm gonna have to start looking at some of my Christmas things to make projects. But you know, I have a whole bunch of these other like half done projects that I still want to crank out. So I'm hoping to finish up anything else that's not Christmas before I actually start working on Christmas stuff. So anyway, that is all I have to share. You just saw 3 videos by me, so I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.